Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting topic of moment generating function in one-dimensional random variable. Let us consider one problem, random variable capital X, which has the following probability mass function, p of x equal to small x, that is equal to 1 by 2 power x, x varies from 1 to 3 up to infinity. Okay, so using this function, we are find the moment generating function of capital X, and second find mean of X, and third one find variance of X. So here the given function is called what? Discrete random variable. So using this function we are going to find all three conditions. Okay, what is given? The given function is what? Probability mass function, that is probability of x equal to small x, that is equal to what? 2 power x, right? X varies from 1 to 3 etc. Okay, so how to identify the given function is discrete random variable or continuous random variable? Discrete random variable means what? We have to take all values are finite number, otherwise countable infinite. Here countable infinite number. Continuous random variable means what? We have to take the values are range between one point to another point, which means they give interval form. Okay, so therefore this problem is what? This problem is belongs to discrete random variable. Okay, so what is our first question? First question is we are going to find the moment function of what? Capital X. So I am going to find moment generated for a given function. We know that what is our formula? We know that mx of t, that is equal to what? Expected value of e power tx, that is summation capital X e power small tx into p of x. So here capital X is there, so we convert capital X into small x. Okay, so that is equal to, okay, summation. What is capital X? Capital X is always small x, that is equal to what? X equal to 1 to infinity e power tx into 1 by 2 power x. So this is your f of x, p of x value. Okay, I am going to substitute given function. Here we see x is there, here also x is there. I am going to write a by b whole power n. What is a by b whole power n? A power n in, right? So summation x equal to 1 to infinity. I am going to write this e power t by whole power x. If you bring this x here, we get e power tx by 2 power x. Now we are expanding the summation, which means substitute x equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. What if we substitute x equal to 1, we get e power t by 2. Okay, power 1. Substitute x equal to 2, e power t by 2. Third one, e power t by 2 power 3 and so on. Okay. So here e power t by 2 is common, right? E power t by 2, e power t by 2, e power t by 2 is common. So we take one term is outside, e power t by 2 into, we get what? 1 plus e power t by 2 plus t by 2 whole square plus etc. Okay, so this is nothing but a binomial expansion. What is binomial expansion? 1 minus x power minus 1, that is equal to 1 plus x square x cube plus etc. This is considered x. Okay, so therefore right hand side term is there. So we write what? We write left hand side value, that is equal to e power t by 2 into, we can write 1 minus e power t by 2 power minus, so this is our x value. So first we simplify this function, which means we take LCM here, e power t by 2 into 2 minus e power t 2 power minus 1. So inverse is that we write reciprocal value, we get e power t by into what? 2 by 2 minus e power t. Okay, so here 2 are getting final answer. So final answer is the moment generating function of what? Okay, therefore the final answer is what? Moment generating function of capital equal to what? T by 2 minus e power t. Okay, so this is called moment generating function of discrete random variable. Okay, so using this function we are going to find the second one. What is second? So now we are going to find second one. What is second one? Second one, we find a mean value. So mean value, it is denoted by mu, otherwise it is denoted by expected value of capital X. Okay. So using this one, we'll mean value. So what is formula? E of is nothing but what? Mx dash of t. Substitute wherever t equals 0, right? So dash means what? We are going to differentiate with respect to t in moment generating function. Later we substitute t equal to 0, we get answer. Okay. So now I am going to find a mx dash of t value, right? So here numerator also t, denominator also function is there. So we want to apply u by dash. What is u by v formula? We consider v square v as it is. What is differentiation of u dash minus into v dash? So this is called a quotient rule of differentiation formula. Okay. So here I am going to consider this is v. Okay. Write this. First we write v square. What is v? 2 e power t whole square. We consider as it is 2 minus e power t. What is differentiation of e power t? That is e power t minus. You consider now e power t as it is. That means u as it is. What is differentiation of v? 2 when you differentiate constant, when you differentiate e power t. Okay. So now after that substitute t equal to what? 0. Okay. So function, later we substitute t equal to 0. If you simplify this, if you multiply this, we get 2 e power t minus e power t, which means if base is same, we can add, we get it 2t. So minus e power t into 0, 0, minus minus plus e power what? 2t. Okay, by 2 minus t whole square, right? So here minus 2t plus 2t are getting cancelled. So we get numerator value is what? We get only numerator value is 2 e power t by 2 minus e power t whole square. Okay. So this is called what? Mx dash of t value. So substitute t. If we substitute t equal to 0, we get e power 0. Numerator e power 1. So we get numerator value is 1 by denominator value is what? 2 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to what? 2. So therefore expect x equal to what? We get 2. It is denoted by mu. So mean value is what? 2. Next time e of x square, right? So how to find e of x square? E of x square is nothing but once again differentiate with respect to t, which means e of x square equal to mx double dash of substitute wherever t equal to 0. We know this is called what? X dash of t. Once again differentiate with respect to t. So u by v formula again we are applying, differentiate with respect to t here. So we get denominator term is what? 2 minus e power t whole square, formula square, we get what? Here we get 4. Okay. That v as it is. What is v? 2 minus e power t whole square. Differentiation of u. 2 is constant. Take outside. Differentiation of e power t minus. Now u as it is. What is u? 2 e power t. Okay. So here we have to differentiate with respect to t. How to differentiate this? We consider this is x. What is x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So here we consider n value is 2. So 2 into e power t power 1. After that differentiate this, we 0 minus e power t. Okay. So now substitute t equal to what? 0. If we substitute t equal to 0, the answer is what? E of x square value. I am not simplifying this. Directly we substitute t equal to 0. Okay. So coming to here, if we substitute t equal to 0, e power 0, 1. So numerator 2 minus 1. Okay. If we substitute here, we get 2 only. Okay. Minus 2. What is e power t? This term is 1. So 2 into 1, 1. Okay. Coming to here, 2 into 2 minus 1, e power 1, we get 2 minus 1. Here we get what? Minus 1 only. So by denominator is what? 2 minus 1 power 4. Okay. Now we see this, we get answer. Next step. So what is 1, that is 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1, 1 into minus, we get minus 1. Okay, 1 power 4 is what? 1. So that is equal here 1 into 2 minus into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 by 1 equal 6. So called what? Expected value of x square equal to 6. Okay. So now we are going to find what? Variance of x. What is variance of x formula? V of x equal to, what is variance of x formula? V of x equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square, right? So we know expected value of x square minus expected value of x on the 2 whole square, what? 6 minus 4, that is equal. Okay, therefore variance of x is called what? You get answer is 2. So therefore find the conclusion is, what is conclusion? First discuss the what is moment generation of t. What is our answer? 2 by e power t. Later we discussed what? Mean value. Mean answer 2. Okay, next we computed what? E of x square, that is equal to 6. Finally we found variance of x, that is equal to. You are enjoying the session. Thank you.